Why trade silver? Do you also trade silver? Why do you trade it? How has been your experience? Leave your comments in the comments section below. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Trading silver is an attractive option for many investors and traders due to its unique qualities as both a precious metal and an industrial commodity. Silver has long been considered a safe haven asset, much like gold. During times of economic uncertainty, geopolitical tension, or rising inflation, investors turn to silver as a store of value. Its historical role as a form of currency and its tangible nature provide security when traditional assets such as stocks or bonds face challenges. By trading silver, investors can hedge against inflation and protect their portfolios during turbulent market conditions. What sets silver apart from other precious metals is its significant industrial demand. It is widely used in various industries, including electronics, solar energy, and medical equipment. This dual role as both a store of value and an industrial commodity means that silver's price is influenced not only by investor sentiment, but also by the global manufacturing sector. As a result, traders can capitalize on price fluctuations driven by changes in industrial demand, offering opportunities for both short-term and long-term strategies. Silver is also known for its higher volatility compared to gold, making it appealing to traders looking to profit from price swings. The relatively lower price point of silver means that percentage changes in its value can be more pronounced, potentially leading to substantial returns. However, this heightened volatility also necessitates careful risk management, as silver's price can be more sensitive to market developments. Another advantage of trading silver is the market's high liquidity, especially in futures and options trading. This liquidity ensures that traders can easily enter and exit positions, even in large volumes. Silver trading is accessible to a wide range of market participants, from retail traders to institutional investors. Its affordability compared to gold allows smaller investors to gain exposure to the precious metals market without needing significant capital. Silver also serves as an excellent tool for portfolio diversification. Its price movements often do not correlate with traditional assets like stocks and bonds, which helps reduce overall risk in a diversified portfolio. Adding silver to a portfolio can increase potential returns by spreading exposure across different asset classes, offering a buffer during periods of market volatility. Moreover, silver is often viewed as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. When fiat currencies weaken due to economic instability or excessive money printing, silver tends to rise in value. Traders anticipating inflationary pressures or currency weakness can trade silver to protect their wealth and profit from broader macroeconomic trends. Technical traders also find silver appealing due to its active trading volume and price volatility, which often exhibit recognizable patterns. This makes silver a favorite among those who use technical analysis tools such as moving averages, trend lines, and momentum indicators. The frequent price swings provide ample opportunities for short-term traders who rely on chart patterns and technical indicators. Lastly, geopolitical factors can significantly impact silver prices. Events such as trade policy changes, supply chain disruptions from major silver-producing countries, and economic developments in key regions can lead to rapid price movements. Traders who closely monitor global events can capitalize on these fluctuations by trading silver during periods of geopolitical uncertainty. In conclusion, trading silver offers a range of benefits, from serving as a safe haven asset and inflation hedge to providing opportunities driven by industrial demand and market volatility. Its high liquidity and accessibility make it suitable for traders of all levels, while its role as a non-correlated asset makes it a valuable tool for portfolio diversification. Whether traders are looking to profit from short-term price swings or seeking long-term investment opportunities, silver presents a versatile and dynamic option in the commodities market.